Hello everyone! In today's video we're going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Don't forget to activate captions or subtitles to this video. You can do it as usual over here. We go to settings, subtitles, and we generate them automatically. This will help you understand in a better way what we are going to talk about. Alright, countable and uncountable nouns. The goal for this video is to identify the differences between countable and uncountable nouns, referring to, food in general. So let's go back and let's remember some vocabulary of food that we've seen before. So there are different kinds of food. We have healthy food, junk food, right? And some vocabulary we saw is hamburger, chocolate, pizza, vegetables, fruit, soda, milk, water, cheese, juice, and french fries or chips. Now what happens is that some of this food, some of them can be counted with numbers. Alright, for example, I can say 1 hamburger, 2 hamburgers, right? And some of it cannot be counted with numbers. For example, water. I cannot say 1 water, 2 water, 3 waters, right? That doesn't make sense. And that's when we have countable and uncountable nouns. Alright? So there are some words we can count with numbers and some others that cannot be counted with numbers, right? For example here, countable nouns, hamburger, apple, banana, right? I can count them. However, milk, cheese, or water cannot be counted. I cannot say 1 cheese, 2 cheese, okay? And in order to differentiate that, when we ask about quantity or an amount of food, we have to ask how much or how many depending on whether it is countable or uncountable. So how much is for uncountable nouns and how many is for countable nouns. Alright, so I can ask how much water is there, how much milk, or I can ask how many apples, how many bananas. Alright, that's the difference. And if I want to express a quantity, I can use one of these quantifiers depending on whether it is uncountable or countable. For example here, for how much, you can use this quantifiers. How much, there is much milk, there is some milk, there is a little water or a lot of water. And for countable nouns, I can use this ones over here, okay? There are many apples, there are some apples, there are a few apples, and a lot of apples. Alright, now we're going to do a student's book activity when we're going to practice this so that you get used to differentiating countable and uncountable nouns. And then there's an activity book activity over here which has to do with writing, that is on page 24. Alright, and before we finish, we're going to do a self-evaluation activity which is going to be explained on every week's guide worksheet. Alright, now thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.